Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover your Mostbet password. This is very easy, but before we continue, I invite you to create a professional Mostbet account, and to do this you will click on register. Next you are going to enter all your information, and at the promo code section you are going to enter the promo code SANU. By using this promo code you will get 300% bonus, so if you top up your account with $50 you will get $150. Now if you have forgotten your password, you are simply going to click on sign in at the top right. Now you are simply going to click on email, and here you are going to enter your phone number. Now you are going to simply click on forgot password, and now you are going to enter your email address and your phone number once more. Then you are going to click on continue. Now a verification code will directly be sent to your phone number through which you registered your Mostbet account at first, and once you have that registration code you are simply going to enter it here. Now once done you will be able to change the password, since an option for creating a new password will be proposed to you. So you are simply going to create that by entering the new password and confirming it, and then the new password will now be the password of your Mostbet account. So you head back behind to this sign in option, and you are simply going to enter your new password inside that in order to recover your Mostbet password. It's as simple as that.